When you drink or do drugs, your sense of judgment is the first thing to go. This means your ability to react to the speed or distance of the other cars around you is impaired. If you're a new driver, this effect happens a lot faster. That's why the zero tolerance law is stricter for younger drivers. If you're under 21 and a peace officer believes that you've been drinking, he'll have you take a preliminary test. If you refuse the test, or if you have any detectable level of blood alcohol content, DMV will suspend your driving privilege for 1 year. The suspension for .01 is an administrative action. If your blood alcohol content is higher, you will be subject to a criminal action. This means you may spend time in jail and pay a fine in addition to losing your license. If you're under 21 and have a DUI conviction on your record, lots of luck in trying to get insurance. And you'll need to show proof of insurance before DMV reinstates your license. The law is similar for drugs. Anything that puts you under the influence makes it illegal to drive. And this isn't limited to illegal drugs. Prescription or even over-the-counter drugs can affect your driving, especially when you combine medications or use them with alcohol. If you're under 21, any drug or alcohol conviction will cause your driving privilege to be suspended for 1 year, even if you're not driving when the offense occurs. There are several other offenses like this that are not driving related but result in a 1-year license suspension. These involve firearms, truancy, and vandalism.